Hello and welcome to this 5-minute mind shift meditation. Find somewhere comfortable and relaxing to sit, either cross-legged or with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Allow your hands to come to rest in your lap. Bring length into your spine and let your shoulders relax down your back away from your ears. Begin to deepen your breath, taking nice long inhales, allowing your belly to expand, and long slow exhales, releasing all the air from your lungs. As you inhale, feel your spine lengthening up towards the ceiling. And as you exhale, smile and feel your body relaxing and rooting down into the earth. And again, inhale, feel the crown of your head lifting up towards the ceiling. And exhale, letting your shoulders melt down your back as you soften into your seat. I want you to briefly think of something in your life you're feeling troubled or worried about. It might be something in your present reality or something that's coming up. And just picture it in your mind. But this time, as you look at it and focus upon it, instead of thinking of the reasons why it makes you worried or tense, or all the things that could go wrong, I want you to ask yourself, what could go right here? What if it was easy and simple? What if everything unfolded perfectly and naturally and easily? And as you focus upon it, I want you to imagine what this whole situation would look like if it were easy. And what would it look like if everything went right? Create a new possibility. What if this worked out for my good and the good of everyone else involved? What would a thriving version of me look like in this situation? And as you continue to breathe deeply and relax, envisioning a new scenario situation, one that's more spacious with more possibilities, one where everyone wins. You can even imagine yourself looking back at it from the future with a smile, thanking its evolution or resolution. And as you do this, repeat to yourself silently, and so it is. Anytime you find yourself looking at this situation again with worry or fear or tension, ask yourself, what if it was easy? What could go right? What if this unfolded beautifully? What if this is for my good? Imagine the peaceful outcome, the loving process, the highest good for all, and continue to feed that vision of reality. Your thoughts have power. Your mindset and attitude have the power to influence your reality in every way. Sometimes a completely different outcome is just a simple mind shift away. I'm sending so much love and appreciation your way. Namaste.